Modern cars are packed with technology that looks impressive on paper and feels convenient behind the wheel. But many of these features quietly shorten a vehicle's lifespan, increase failure rates, and turn long-term ownership into a costly experience. What most drivers don't realize is that reliability is not lost overnight. It is slowly eroded by complex systems that introduce heat, stress, and failure points. In this video, we are breaking down the car features that do the most damage to long-term reliability and why mechanics warn against them. Let's start with one of the biggest reliability killers. Feature number 15, start-stop engine technology. Start-stop systems are sold as a fuel-saving miracle, shutting off your engine every time you stop in traffic. Sounds smart, right? But the truth is far from it. Every engine restart is a mini shock to internal components, where bearings, camshafts, and timing chains briefly operate without full oil pressure. Over time, this repeated stress can cause premature wear that traditional engines wouldn't face until much later. Start-stop systems also put extraordinary demand on your battery and starter motor. These aren't ordinary starters and batteries. Cars with start-stop require specialized AGM or EFB batteries and reinforced starter units that are 2 to 3 times more expensive to replace than traditional ones. In the US, repair shops report starters and batteries in start-stop cars fail up to 3 times faster than normal. Even modern engines with advanced oil pumps can't completely avoid this extra wear. It quietly shortens engine life and makes costly repairs more likely. Feature number 14, continuously variable transmissions. CVTs promise smooth acceleration and better mileage. Unlike conventional automatics, CVTs rely on belts or chains running through pulleys, which are highly sensitive to heat and fluid condition. This design is marketed for better fuel economy and smooth acceleration, but it comes with significant reliability drawbacks that many owners don't expect. US data shows CVTs fail far earlier than traditional transmissions, with repairs often costing more than a complete rebuild. Drivers report shuddering, slipping, and early failure after just 80,000 to 100,000 miles. CVTs also struggle in high-stress conditions, such as towing, sporty driving, or hilly terrain, where overheating and slipping become much more likely. When a CVT fails, it is often not just a small fix. Many CVTs are designed as sealed units, meaning the entire transmission must be replaced rather than repaired. And replacements can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $7,500. What feels like a modern convenience can quietly become a ticking time bomb if maintenance isn't perfect. Feature number 13, turbocharged small engines. Turbocharged small engines are sold as the perfect balance of power and fuel economy, but the hidden cost is reliability. To produce the same power as a larger engine, these small engines must work significantly harder, operating under higher pressure and extreme heat almost all the time. A turbocharger can spin at 150,000 to 250,000 RPM, generating temperatures that easily exceed 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which places massive stress on engine oil, cooling systems, and internal components. In the US, turbocharged engines have a significantly higher rate of oil-related failures and overheating issues compared to naturally aspirated engines. Once lubrication quality drops, turbo bearings wear rapidly, often leading to oil leaks, smoking, or complete turbo failure. When turbos fail, repairs often exceed thousands of dollars, and neglected turbo issues can take the entire engine with them. Feature number 12, overloaded electronic systems. Modern cars also rely heavily on overloaded electronic systems, and this is where reliability takes another hit. Touchscreens, digital dashboards, electronic climate controls, drive-by-wire throttles, and sensor-controlled everything create hundreds of failure points. A single faulty sensor can trigger warning lights, limp mode, or even prevent the car from starting. In the US, electrical and electronic issues are now among the top 3 reasons vehicles are taken to repair shops, and these problems often appear long before mechanical components wear out. Feature number 11, cylinder deactivation systems. Cylinder deactivation systems are designed to improve fuel economy by temporarily shutting down some cylinders during light driving. This feature adds complex lifters, solenoids, and oil pressure controls inside the engine. Even small amounts of sludge or delayed oil changes can cause lifter collapse or sticking. In the US, engines with cylinder deactivation show higher rates of valve train failures compared to traditional designs. Repairs often require major engine disassembly. A system meant to save fuel can quietly shorten engine life and increase ownership costs. Feature number 10, electronic parking brakes. Electronic parking brakes replaced simple mechanical cables, sensors, and control modules. This convenience comes at a price. When this happens, repairs are expensive, often requiring dealer-only tools and procedures. Cold climates and long-term use increase the likelihood of failure. A system that was once simple, durable, and virtually failure-proof now introduces one more electronic weak point in your vehicle. Over time, this can make even basic parking tasks stressful and costly. Feature number 9, air suspension systems. Air suspension systems deliver an incredibly smooth ride when new, but durability is their biggest weakness. Rubber airbags crack with age, compressors overwork, and height sensors fail over time. In the US, air suspension repairs commonly cost thousands of dollars, often exceeding the value of older vehicles. Failures tend to cascade, not occur alone. Comfort today often means costly repairs later. Feature number 8, Sealed for Life fluid systems. Sealed for Life fluid systems are marketed as maintenance-free, but this claim quietly damages long-term reliability. In reality, transmission, differential, and coolant fluids all degrade due to heat, moisture, and metal contamination. When fluids break down, lubrication quality drops and internal wear accelerates rapidly. In the US, vehicles that follow lifetime fluid claims show higher rates of transmission and drivetrain failures after 100,000 miles. Many manufacturers define lifetime as the warranty period, not the vehicle's true lifespan. Skipping fluid changes removes one of the most effective ways to prevent expensive failures. What sounds like low maintenance often results in high repair costs. Feature number 6, direct injection system. Direct injection engines deliver fuel directly into the combustion chamber, improving efficiency and power. The hidden problem is, carbon deposits on intake valves accumulate faster because fuel no longer washes over them like in traditional port injection. Over time, this carbon buildup restricts airflow, reduces performance, and increases the risk of engine knocking or misfires. US mechanics see thousands of cars annually needing carbon cleaning after 50,000 to 70,000 miles. Ignoring it can shorten engine lifespan and force expensive intake or valve repairs. A fuel-saving technology can ironically create one of the biggest maintenance headaches for modern engines. Feature number 5, turbo cooldown neglect. Many turbocharged cars require post-driving cooldown periods to protect the turbo. Unfortunately, most drivers never do this. After spirited driving or highway runs, shutting the car off immediately stops oil circulation through the turbo. In the US, turbo failures from improper cooling are a common source of high repair bills. Skipping a 60-second cooldown might seem harmless, but it silently chips away at engine and turbo reliability over months and years. Feature number 4, low-quality plastic components. To reduce weight and manufacturing costs, modern vehicles rely heavily on plastic and composite components throughout the engine bay. While effective for efficiency, these materials are far less tolerant of long-term heat and pressure than traditional metal parts. Cracks often develop suddenly, without warning, leading to coolant leaks, vacuum leaks, or intake failures. In US repair shops, unlike metal components, plastics are rarely repairable and usually require full replacement. A single plastic failure can trigger a chain reaction of secondary damage. What appears to be modern engineering often proves to be a quiet durability compromise. Feature number 3, aluminum engine blocks. Aluminum engines are light, efficient, and fast heating, but also more fragile than traditional iron blocks. Aluminum expands and contracts more with heat cycles, increasing stress on head gaskets and cooling systems. Over time, repeated thermal stress can cause leaks, cracks, or warped heads. In the US, aluminum engine block repairs are much more expensive and often require complete replacements. While performance and weight savings are appealing, this premium feature often comes with hidden reliability costs. Feature number 2, electronic throttle controls. Electronic throttle control systems replace traditional mechanical throttle cables with sensors and control modules. While this allows for smoother acceleration and better emissions control, it also removes the direct mechanical connection between the driver and the engine. If a throttle position sensor or actuator begins to fail, the vehicle can suddenly enter limp mode or lose throttle response altogether. These failures often appear without warning and can occur even when the engine itself is mechanically healthy. In US repair data, electronic throttle issues are a common cause of check engine lights and drivability complaints. Diagnosing these problems requires specialized scan tools and software access, increasing repair costs. Feature number 1, integrated infotainment controls. Modern vehicles increasingly route essential functions through centralized infotainment screens. Climate control, cameras, and even basic driving features often depend on a single display unit. Software glitches, screen failures, or outdated firmware can leave drivers unable to adjust climate settings or access safety features. In the US, infotainment failures are among the most common complaints in new and aging vehicles. What begins as a convenience upgrade can turn into a single point of failure for the entire vehicle. That's all for this video. The more complex a car becomes, the more failure points it introduces. If your goal is longevity and peace of mind, proven mechanical systems and regular maintenance still outperform flashy tech. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below. Which modern car feature do you think is secretly ruining reliability?